Part of Laviosa Data Speaks. I'm running a Jupyter notebook on my local host, and this is enabled by the Docker desktop for Mac. We originally planned to write our own versions of MLRun functions to pre-process the data and train a deep learning model. However, due to many failed attempts, we generated a dataset that looked exactly like the Iris dataset and fit it into the tutorial Jupyter notebooks. We collected all the major collapses data from EM Data website for India from 19,000 to 2020. We first clustered data and grouped the data into 4 categories based on clustering results. We assigned them with labels from -1 to 2 in the last column. In the first notebook, we uploaded the pre-processed data to the Docker container. Then we stored the data artifact in the database. In the second notebook, we used the logistic regression model to extract key information about this dataset. At first sight, the accuracy is pretty low, demonstrated by the numerical accuracy. This is also true because the confusion matrix has a really low true positive rate, as well as a ROC curve that centers around the diagonal of the graph. However, the histogram seems to demonstrate an interesting pattern. First of all, there seems to be 3 or more regions that has unique characteristics and combinations of these features that make them especially vulnerable to the disaster. On the correlation matrix, there is a strong correlation between year and CPI, also a strong correlation between longitude, latitude, and CPI. And CPI stands for Community Preparedness Index, which evaluates how prepared a community is in front of a disaster. These observations encourage us to consider the following questions. What makes 3 or more regions unique in their way, if not just geographically distinct? Does the correlation between CPI and year indicate that communities are more prepared now compared to the past? We hope to construct a better model in the future, and although a poor model fitting is expected, we would take advantage of MLRun and make a better prediction in the future. Thank you.